Scott, tell us about your favorite part of today's Ninja Workshop.
Favorite part of today's Ninja Workshop? Well, it was awesome to see Rafi. I don't get to see him that often. This last couple years with, all the different things going on in the world, I haven't been out as much seeing seminars like this happen, so that was awesome. For me, really just more of a testimony to what the idea of consistency. And I'll give you one example. The whole reason I'm even here is because, I get a lot of communications. I get a lot of communications from AMG, your organization, and I'm busy, so I don't look at them all, right? And you guys could have given up on me, but you keep sending me stuff all the time. And sure enough, I saw this flyer. I'm like, oh, Rafi and Manuel are doing the seminar. I have to go to this seminar. And I'm glad that you guys just stay consistent and pegging us all the time, because who would have thought I was going to show up here today? You probably weren't expecting me to be here, right?
That's right.
So that was cool. It was just like a real life example of that towards the end. But
how'd you like the interaction of the speaker and the audience?
Oh, great. I mean, Rafi's a great speaker, very casual, very just like available, approachable, and down to earth. So I love listening to him speak. I've listened to him speak before. Even in other parts of the world, I've randomly been in a city where he's giving a seminar and got to hear him speak. It's always a pleasure. Manuel always dropping the ninja knowledge, which is awesome.
Are you coming back for the next one?
When is the next one?
Every 2 weeks.
Oh, it's every 2 weeks. Wow. So I could just keep coming back every 2 weeks. So which day is it every 2 weeks?
And we're starting on Tuesdays now.
Tuesdays. Okay. Good. I'll stay in the loop. I'll try and be here as much as I can.
All right.
And I'm always trying to avail myself of effective tools, and you guys definitely have them, and that's why I plan to work with you guys in the future as I roll out my company and going into other avenues of expanding into e-commerce and that kind of thing with the coffee line. And so.
All right, see you on the next one.
You will.